Good morning, guys. Josh over here, AZ 4Runner Parts, with another video. We got a 2007 Toyota 4Runner. This is a V6 four-wheel drive. Just arrived off the truck about 15 minutes ago. I did post about this coming in with gas prices. Been a little bit of a delay on the delivery, but a month ago, a tail light sold, and driver fender with cladding sold, as well as driver headlight and driver trim. So if you guys are looking for any other parts off this thing at all, it's got gray interior. She does run and drive. She's very quiet. It's got 270,000 miles on it. Some clean interior on passenger. Driver's side, it's got the famous stain and stitch missing, but clean dash. Lots of good parts in here. If you guys are looking for anything at all, let me know, guys. Josh, AZ 4Runner Parts. AZ4runnerparts at gmail.com. It's got a brake master. Everything works on this. Brakes, engine. It's got some cosmetic damage is about it. Battery's dead right now, but it was jumped and started and parked, driven off the truck from the street. I'm in a complex, so they were parked on the street around the corner and drove it inside here. But if you guys are looking for anything at all, please reach out. 602-699-1720, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.